Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore GA4 data using data filters and reprocessing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore GA4 data using data filters and reprocessing, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the property where you want to restore data. Go to the admin panel at the bottom left of the interface. In the property column, select Data Streams. Choose the data stream that you wish to work with. Click on Filters to manage your data settings. Here, you will see any existing filters apply to your data. To create a new filter, click on the Add Filter button. Select the type of filter you wish to apply. For restoring data, consider using the Include Filter type. Define the parameters of your filter based on the data you want to restore. Give your filter a descriptive name for future reference. After configuring the filter, save your changes. Next, go back to the admin panel. Under the Property column, locate the Data Settings option. From here, select Data Retention. Check your current data retention settings. Adjust these settings to ensure that your data will be retained long enough for reprocessing. After adjusting retention, return to the Data Streams page. Now, go to the Debug View section to test the changes you've made. Run specific events that you want to reprocess. Ensure the correct filters are being applied and that data is being captured. Once confirmed, your data will begin reprocessing under the new settings. Monitor the incoming data to validate that it matches your expectations. Review the performance of your filters regularly. Make adjustments as needed to continue restoring data accurately. You have now completed the process of restoring GA4 data using data filters and reprocessing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.